I'm just ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down, she know I like it better with her top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money, yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. The designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750. We talk Pacifics, that Rolls Gold compliment.
So today, we about to get a little funky with the driveway. We got asphalt about to get put down. Mm-hmm. They out here right now. Yo, asphalt about to get put down, and it's trying to storm. They about to come. Asphalt, the front half of the driveway. They ain't about to play no games. About to pull the equipment off. And I'm about to blacktop all of this front on the front end with these two trucks. Hell yeah, it was a hell of a deal, hell of a steal. So, oh, these carpenter, look at these carpenter bees. What the carpenter bees trying to go to work on my log look like? Anyway, the other news. They unloading that thing right now. I might give me some little aerials going on. Yo, come on. Open my shop up. Look at all the workers coming out there to unload that junk. So the rain already started. Wish I could got a little closer for y'all. Man, they out here in the rain getting it done. They ain't playing no games. That's what I'm talking about, working right here. They ain't playing no games, man. Whipped up out here in no time. He out there clearing it, making me a nice edge to drop some asphalt on. He gonna bring the asphalt to the bridge. Honestly, I don't think it's gonna rain too much longer. It's a little quick little rain. It's gonna stop in a second. But they about to go over there and pull the machine down. They're gonna dump that load. I'm gonna try to use all that up, man. I want that road all the way to the freaking house. Oh yeah, scrape that junk down. Come on, rain. Come on, rain. I need you to go off so I can walk up out here. Now you about to start on that side. Push that out. Get that nice and smooth. They're bringing that old asphalt machine off the trailer. The roller off the trailer. They is rolling. Get my kids off the bus. How you doing? Thank you so much. Y'all come on. Come on. Get on the side, get on the side of me, y'all. They about to put asphalt down in the front. Come on, walk around the side, walk around the side. You're gonna get a little wet. We can't do this perfectly now. We're gonna try our best.
Oh, wow.
Y'all can take out running whenever y'all ready now.
Alright. I'm not ready. I'm ready. Umbrella.
Whenever y'all ready, go.
I'm taking it.
Okay, you can stay under the umbrella. You can stay under the umbrella.
Ah.
Oh, the wind coming hard. We gotta make sure we don't get struck by lightning because the lightning coming. Come on, oh, we gonna make it. We gonna make it. We gonna make it. We gonna make it. Look in the yard. Look how it's bouncing in the yard. Look how the hell bouncing in the yard. Hey, you gonna get knocked out, boy. How you doing, man? Y'all right? Oh, y'all ain't playing no games, boy. God damn. Man, they about to come out here and lay this asphalt down in no time. Look at that. That's crazy. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Appreciate you, man. What's that right there, Aiden? What's that? Oh, that's for the umbrella. That little silver thing on the ground right there. That came off the umbrella. That's a hard little rain. The light's gonna pass because it's kind of bright still.
Oh my God.
Ooh, it's about to hit loud. Ooh. You see that horse over there running? I done came upstairs because they is out here in the rain getting it. You heard? He about to put that edge down on the driveway. They trying to catch a break in the rain, but there ain't no break. They going hard right now while it's raining. Trying to get this junk put down. Like it's slowing up a little bit right now. Oh, damn, I wish I could zoom in right now. Yeah, the hill done stopped. They good now. Steamrolling that thing out. Steamrolling that thing out. That's a nice little roadway. Nice little driveway. that bridge cleaned after this. Raindrop on the camera. They is not playing, man. They've been out here about 20-25 minutes. No cap. They slapping this down. And the rain trying to start again. Oh, that rain trying to come again. Right down to the edge. Ooh, the rain trying to come back in, baby. Yeah, nice and good. Nice and good. So they was able to get everything wrapped up. I mean, they didn't take no time. I give them an hour top for the time they pulled up, man. I wish I could walk out there right now, but I'm gonna show y'all later. They stopped right there at the edge of the road, paved it out, nice and beautiful. Ooh, wait till I put the shrubs down. Look at the water in the camera. Wait till I put my shrubs down on the front side of the bridge. That junk gonna be amazing. Oh man. Hey, if y'all enjoyed this, man, make sure y'all sub to that channel, subscribe. This wasn't the best one, man. I wanted to walk that junk down, but I got close up on there enough for y'all. This rain is not the best. It's about to rain all week. So I'm glad I was able to get this in and get it finished up, man. Sub to that channel. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, man. Share the channel, share these videos, man. Put your notifications on it and make sure we there. We good. All right, deuce.